Okay, now we are discussing filters. In Tableau, by using filters, we can restrict unwanted data by displaying only the required data. Advantage means filters will improve performance and data will contains only the required data. We can apply filters on textual data or character data, numerical data or number data, we can say, or date data. First, we'll see filtering textual data. In Tableau, you can filter textual data directly from data view or by making use of filter shell. I have seen some examples in previous session. Okay, while filtering the textual data in filter shell, here we have four different ways. Using general, wildcard, condition, and top. In general, we can filter again in three ways: select from list or custom value list and user. Select from list means by using this option, we can able to select the list of values like manually all at a time or none at a time, and we can say few at a time, or even we can exclude all the values or few of the values or none of the values. To Tableau, just
Karthik, you started recording, right?
yes, yes. Example. Yeah. For example, customer segment by sale. I have seen in yesterday's session. Filtering. Yeah, let's say example for this one. Display customer segment by sales, and here I want to display only consumer and small business. Customer segment by sales. Customer segment. First, I want to create a data view by taking customer segment and sales. Sales. In this, I want to display only consumer and small business. From data view, how can we restrict? Simply keep mouse pointer and click on exclude. Keep mouse pointer and click on exclude. From data view, we can restrict in that way, or we can restrict by using filter shell. State by sales whose name starting with M. We need to create a data view. Another example is design a data view for state by sales whose name starting with M. State by sales We need to drag state onto the filter shell whose name starting with M. Example, now I want to select only name starting with M. This one, only these two, like that, from filter shell. Now we'll see in detail. Here there will be four types while filtering textual dimension: general type, wildcard, condition, top. In general type again, we can filter in three ways: select from list, custom value list, and user. Select from list means we can able to select list of values and manually all at a time or none at a time, few at a time, and similarly we can exclude all the values, few of the values, and none of the values. Drag state onto filter shell. See, select from list means we can select all the values or can deselect all the values, and only we can select few of the values. Similarly, exclude means same. We can exclude few of the values, we can exclude all the values, or we can unexit all the values, like that based on this list. I want to select, for example, California, Illinois, this four. Apply means it will display those four. Exclude means except those four, it will display all others. Inverse manner. Next one is custom value list. By using this option, we have to enter the list of values manually.
Karthik, can you put today's date there so it will be easy to identify?
Come again? Dates, that is
Can you put today?
yeah, filtering data is different.
No. I'm saying in this here, right? In the note, can you put today's date just to identify a recording on this one easily?
Date. Okay.
Thanks, Karthik.
Recording itself will come up with data. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, custom value list. In custom value, by using this option, we have to enter the list of values manually. By using this option, we have to enter the list of values manually. Simply select custom value list, click on OK. Here, right click, show filter. See, here we need to enter list of values manual. Example, I want to North Carolina. Select. North Carolina. Select. And Texas. Select. Like that. Here we need to type manually values. In custom value list, we need to select type values manually. Here simply we'll select Illinois, Florida, example, Florida. Some spelling mistakes. Okay, here we need to type values manually in custom value list. Next means user. In user, if you want to use all the options, then we need to select user. If you want to use all the options, use all the options, then we need to select user. So, user option, all the options. Next one is wildcard. In general, we have three: select from list, custom value list, and user. Next, second option is wildcard in textual data. While filtering textual data, second one is wildcard. Okay. Well, filtering textual data, if you don't know the complete name, or if you know only particular part of the name, or particular part of the string, or particular part of the only, for example, some single character, then if you want to perform filtering, then we need to go for wildcard filtering. While filtering textual data, if you don't know the complete name, and if you know only particular part of the string, or single character, if you want to perform filtering, then such kind of filtering is called as wildcard filtering. Here, As here we are filtering data based on single character, filtering data based on a single character. That single character is called as, the single character is known as wildcard. And again, using wildcard, we can filter. Using wildcard, we can perform filtering in two ways, including wildcard and excluding wildcard. Using wildcard, we can perform filtering in two ways, including wildcard excluding wildcard. Okay. Now it's an example. Display the state message for those example. Okay. Display the state-wise cells for those states whose name contains yes, whose name contains yes. For those whose name contains yes. Yeah. Go to wildcard. Reset. Okay. Go to wildcard. Here match value. Yes, contains yes. Click on apply. Only these states. District there is some S. Illinois yes is there. Here S is there. Washington. Display the state by cells whose name contains yes. That may be starting, that may be ending, that may be in the middle. If it contains yes, that should display that particular state cells. Say district Illinois, this one. Or starting with yes, no value. No value is there. Ending with yes. Ending with yes, sir. This one. Ends ends with yes. Exactly matches. Exactly matches means, for example, Texas. Exactly matches. Like exclude means except Texas or other values, all other states. Inverse manner. So in wildcard, four options: contains, starts with, ends with, exactly matches. Here one more important point is While performing the filter using wildcard, the filtering is not case sensitive. Not case sensitive. That may be small s or capital S here. Not case sensitive. While performing the filter using the wildcard, that filtering is not case sensitive. Okay. While filtering the character data using the wildcard, we can filter it in 4 ways. These 4 ways are contains, starts with, ends with, exactly matches. Okay. This is all about wildcard. And while filtering textual data, one more thing is condition. Based on some condition. Filtering textual data based on some condition. Third option is condition. General wildcard condition. This one is condition. In Tableau, if you want to filter the textual data based on some condition, then we have to make use of condition tab. In Tableau, if we want to filter textual data based on some condition, then we have to make use of condition tab. Condition tab. For example, display the state-wise sales whose sales greater than 50,000. Whose sales greater than 50,000. Condition. State-wise sales. Reset. So condition. I'll remove and create first condition. Okay. I'll drag state onto filter share. Go to condition tab. I have display state-wise sales. In the sales, I want to display only states whose sales greater than or equal to 50,000. Condition. Sales means sum of sales greater than or equal to 50,000. Among all those states, only California, Illinois are, these states are containing sales greater than or equal to 50,000. Greater than or equal to,
Karthik,
yeah,
just one question. Like,
yeah.
there is that option, right? Sum is there, right? Instead of sum, what all options are there?
Average, minimum, maximum, standardization, variation.
Okay. Count.
Yeah.
Count means it will take number of if
Number of sales. Number of sales in that sale. Number of sales in that.
okay,
Okay.
in that region, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. For example, sales greater than 30,000 means these three containing sales greater than 30,000. For example, 20,000. Yes, yes. And sales less than 30,000. Example, less than 20,000. These are the states containing sales less than 20,000.
What is the second symbol, Karthik?
Come again?
What is the second symbol in the,
This
operators?
one, not equal to.
Oh, okay. Not
This one is not equal to. Yeah.
Oh, and this
Equal
is
to
the
not
area
equal
where
to.
we need to enter. Hello, Karthik.
Yeah.
This is the area where we need to enter only the measure values, right?
Yes, here only measure values.
No dimensions, right? Like
No,
say
no.
sales, you mentioned,
Based
right?
on,
No dimensions.
yeah,
Right?
based on measure value, we are displaying sales. So we are displaying dimensional value. States
Oh,
based on some condition means sales. Here measure based on measure only. Yes.
Karthik, just one question. Can I have, let's say, if I put two things like sales and discount, can I say that sales greater than this and discount greater than something?
Yes, yes. We can give this one. We'll see. Multiple conditions.
All right.
And condition.
and how about this min and max, Karthik?
Range. We can specify range.
Okay, suppose I need so and so number to so and number, right?
Yes, yes. Browse all those things. This one is actual minimum and maximum. Here specify some 20. Sales greater than or equal to 20,000.
Could you change the minimum value from 232, like say 50,000?
It's not changing.
We can write manually, we can write, right?
Here, okay. Here I'm not able to edit this one. Let's say.
So these are the default values and we can't be changed, right?
Range of values, default values. Minimum value, this one in this source. Maximum value is this one.
And this minimum and maximum value, it applies to the before above condition also, right? Greater than, suppose, hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Karthik. So when you click onto the buy field, like say minimum is 230, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Minimum.
Okay.
Yeah, minimum value is 232. here based on some condition. See conditions later. Okay. Well, filtering textual data. Next one is top. To perform top N analysis. For example, top 10 sales, top 10 states based on sales, top 10 customers, like that. If you want to filter the top based on top N analysis, if you want to perform top N analysis, then we have to create the filter based on top 10. If you want to filter the top based on top N analysis, then we have to create the filter based on top tab. Example, display top 10 states based on their total sales. Based on their total states, so total sales. Top 10 states based on total sales. Okay, one more. Same, the state wise sales. So give labels. Top 10 states based on sales. Drag state onto filter shell. Go to top here by field. Top 10 sales. Sum of sales based on this one. All these are top 10 states. Example, top 5 states. Top 5 states. Here instead of top, bottom 5 cells. Top bottom. Bottom 5 cells. Least 5. 232. So based on sum of cells, you can select measure. Here you can select condition. Top or bottom. Here we need to specify number. Top 5 or bottom 5 or top 10 or bottom 10, like that. Top N analysis. Using this one. All these are filtering textual data. General, condition, general wildcard
Karthik,
condition. Yeah.
that formula also can I just show me?
Top 10. Yeah.
Or maybe something like unit price greater than.
Like that.
Okay.
Could you write out some formula, Karthik?
Yeah, we'll write, not now. Don't confuse. We'll write, well, next we'll go for measure filtering. There are so many other types. We'll go one by one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. While filtering textual information, we have 4 types: general, wildcard, conditional, condition, and top. In general, again it contains 3 ways: select from list, custom value list, and user. And if you go to wildcard, it contains 4: contains, starts with, ends with, and exactly matches. In both general and wildcard, there is an option called exclude, inverse manner. Here one more important point is, while perform filtering, it is not case sensitive. Data is not, characters are not case sensitive. Then we have go for third one is condition, and fourth one is we have go top. Fourth one is top. Next we'll go for one more important one is filtering the measure data. In Tableau, we can filter the measures by taking all the individual values and also by making use of combined values. For example, in Tableau, okay, we can filter the measures by taking all individual values and also by making use of the combined values. So by making use of the combined values. Okay. And here while filtering measure on the grouped records or individual values, we can perform filtering in 4 different ways. Example, and a range of values here, at least, at most, special. While filtering the measure on the grouped records or on the individual values, we can perform filtering in 4 different ways. The range of values and at least, at most, and special. A range of values, at least, at most, 4 ways. Range of values means if you want to filter any measure based on a particular range, based on minimum value and maximum value, we need to go for range of values. And at least means if you know only minimum value, if you know only minimum value, at least means greater than or equal to. If you know only minimum value and if you don't know maximum value, then we'll go for at least. At most means if you know only maximum value, less than or equal to, only maximum value, we don't know minimum value, then we should prefer at most. Next one is special. Well, handling with nulls in the measure, we need to go for this null option, sorry, special option. Range of values means if you want to filter any measure based on a particular range. If you want to filter any measure based on a particular range, example based on min and max, then we should filter the measure using range of values. At least means if you know only minimum value and if you don't know maximum value. If you know only the minimum value and if you don't know the maximum value.
Karthik, this is equal to, greater than or equal to, right?
Yes, minimum value means greater than or equal to. If you know maximum value means less than or equal to. Yes. Then we should filter measure at least. Sorry. Then we should filter the measure using at least. Using at least. At most. If you know only maximum value, only maximum value, and if you don't know inverse manner. Only the maximum value, and if you don't know the minimum value of the measure, then we should filter the measure using at most. Using at most. Next one is special. Special will be dealing with null. Special deals with null. While handling the null values in the measure, the special option is used. Null values in the measure. The special option is used. range of values, at least, at most, special. Filtering measure data. Examples, see, state-wise total. So we'll see more examples in next session. For example, state-wise total sales. Here, I want to display total sales greater than total sales more than 20,000. First one is, for example, range of value. Range of values means drag, say, not states. So here I have to drag this one. Sales, filtering measure data. Here, example, I want to filter based on sum of sales. Range of values means in between 20,000. Example I give 40,000. Range of values means this one. Only these two, in between 20,000 and 40,000. At least means we have to specify only sales greater than or equal to 20,000. If we give 20,000 means sales greater than or equal to 20,000. At most means sales less than or equal to 20,000. All values, special nulls, non-nulls, only non-null values, no nulls here. For dealing with nulls, we have to go for this one. Okay, we'll see more examples in next session.
Hello, Karthik.
Yeah.
Hello, Karthik. Yeah. Could you show me once again the one which you showed me just now about null values, special case? One doubt.
Here,
Not state province. No. Not into the. It's in the measure part. What I'm asking. Yeah, filter. In the special part, suppose if you click on the all values, then how can you see the null values? If I want
it will display all values means it will display all values including nulls.
Yeah, but if I
Only
want to see the null values,
here we don't have nulls. Yeah.
What I mean to say that if you click on all values, it displays null values, non-null values, along with that all values, right?
Yes.
In that, when it is displaying, if I want to see the null value, how can I see it?
Yeah, we can see only null values. Only null values.
I want to.
Only null values. Or only non-null values.
Can you apply?
We don't have nulls here. Here we don't have nulls. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll see more examples in next session regarding this one. And by tomorrow's session, we'll finish filter and we'll move for one more important concept. Groups or sets. Okay. Fine.
Tell me